Hola amigos, voy a hacer este video en español. Les cuento, bueno, ya me familiaricé con esta lavadora. Le puse un cuarto de tapita de detergente, la verdad que no mucho porque ya ven que se hace mucha espuma. El agua, definitivamente no usé el tubo que viene con esta máquina, así que yo, como tengo ducha teléfono, le desconecté esta parte. Ahí arriba está, la tengo con un cordón de electricidad que me cuelga hasta el muro, así que por lo tanto prefiero dejarla aquí en la tina. Esta simplemente la abro aquí y la lleno de agua. Se supone que hay que ponerlo aquí, pero la verdad que no da lo mismo. Le echo el agua, ahora le puse 15 minutos de lavado y ahora en este minuto va a parar y voy a tirar el agua. Entonces es importante que esta manguera esté afuera, abajo, y ponemos el proceso de drenaje. Entonces al poner el drenaje, el agua comienza a botar solo, todo se empieza a descargar. Eso es importante dejarla en ese drenaje. Una vez que el drenaje ya está listo, voy a volver a echarle más agua aquí y la voy a poner en 15 minutos más para que me enjuague la ropa. Me enjuague, o sea, me saque el detergente. Y después voy a usar la centrífuga. Así es que así voy a comenzar ahora. Como ven, el agua está bajando. Es importante este filtro que trae acá, que hay que ponérselo si se sacan las pelusas, volver a ponérselo, porque de lo contrario se va a echar a perder, se va a llenar de pelusas por dentro de la máquina y no es la idea. Para eso viene ese filtro. Y en este minuto, ¿ven? Ya el agua va bajando. Obviamente que para volverla a poner en modo de lavadora, tengo que volver a subir esa manguera para que así el agua no se vaya. Y esta parte del drenaje tiene que quedar en cero, porque si no, si esto no está en cero, esto tampoco va a funcionar. Eso me di cuenta. Así que voy a hacer otro videito chiquitito para la centrífuga. Y a ver, en este minuto, no sé si estamos bien, vamos a echarle el agua. Vamos a echarle el agua, porque veo que ya ha bajado bastante la espuma. Y voy a poner entonces la manguera ahí y voy a poner esta manguera de vuelta aquí, ahora tiene que ir parada, ¿ven? Entonces una vez que esto se llene, lo pongo en 15 minutos. De hecho ya lo puedo poner, esto lo tengo que poner en cero y ya, y empieza a cargarse de agua otra vez. Yo le llené, esta es una sábana de 2 plazas, ¿ya? Solamente una sábana y una funda. Entonces la estoy llenando de agua y la voy a llenar yo hasta la mitad para que así quede mejor el sistema de lavado, que se lave mejor. Es súper práctica para mí, que soy sola, vivo en un departamento y la verdad es que no es mucha la ropa que uso durante el verano, por lo tanto es súper práctica para mí. Así que ahora vamos a parar el agua y vamos a dejar la máquina funcionando. 15 minutos más, la saco y la meto en la centrífuga. Ok, nos vemos.
So after some trial and error, we finally got this working. We have one of these washing machine jacks that you put in to clean the laundry better. But so my boyfriend rigged this up we got the motor bottle and just rigged it to this, so we could just turn it on and water would flow in to here. And then here's the bucket where the water flows out. So I'm just doing a few rags and such. It actually tastes pretty well. I put this to wash for 6 minutes. So I have a very and then when it's done washing, then you drain it, and then you can refill again to rinse, and then put it into the spinner, and make sure this thing is on top of your clothes or whatever you have. It works pretty well. This is the second time we've used it. And the spinner actually gets things 80% dry, 70% dry. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't take that long to dry after that, hang dry. We tried to rig it so this would drain into our drain pipe, but we haven't yet figured that out yet. And we may just have to just continue using the bucket because it's just easier, less sophisticated, but it's easier. So this works really well. We've had it for a few days now, and it's great. We just put, we transferred some detergent into this, so it's just 2 or 3 pumps. We fill the washer up to here with water. And it works really well. And then make sure that this is the stuff in here is evenly dispersed so it doesn't make too much noise. Alright guys, love this thing. Bye.
The machine is absolutely incredible. It comes with a plastic hose, but I'm not using that. Instead, I bought this rinseroo recommended by someone else that did a review, and I absolutely love the rinseroo. The rinseroo is so awesome. The only thing is you have to make sure that you set it up right, because if not, water will leak. So right now it's leaking, and I have to fix this from happening to avoid wasting water. Basically, you just have to make sure that there's no gap in between, so I need to fix that for the next one. But it just makes it so much easier for the water to fall through, and when you set it up right, it won't spill it. And so here I just filled up the water, and now I am just putting my delicates in to this batch so that we're able to get it all washed up nice and clean. So I've done a bunch of other laundry already, and now I'm doing the soft, gentle apparel that needs to be done. So I love that you're able to fit a great amount of clothes. I don't squeeze it in too much. But right now there's a lot of water. So what I did was I first tested it to see how it all fit before the water. But yeah, so this is great. And so now the soap's already in there, and because it's my gentle clothes, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on soft. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the timer. And it automatically just starts working its magic, y'all, which I love. So for this part, you're able to open this and it does the laundry, but for this one you can't. Like, once you open it, that's it. So that I'll show later.
So I'm filling it up. So I put my shower head, and then there's the spinner right there. This little thing comes out, and then you put this on top of the clothes, but I'm not using that yet, so that's for the spinner. And then see, that's for the spinner, that's for the drain, should be on standard, and the washing machine time. So I'm just gonna let this fill up, and then I'll keep showing you. So this is how fast it actually works, which I think is good. And this is the gentle cycle. So you see it pauses and then it turns the other way. So I put the clothes in. I put about 2 pajamas, 2 underwear, and about 6 pillowcases. As you can see, there's still more space to put at least one more thing in. But yeah, I'll let you know how it works out when I finish.
Okay, so this is the issue I'm having with the washing machine. The spin dryer, this one here, is non-functional. It has stopped working. The wash one, which is this motor here, does still work. If I turn the wash motor on, the motor will turn on and function properly by going left to right. However, the spin dry, and I know it has this safety here to prevent this from spinning if the lid's not down. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the spin dry side on. You can hear it clicking. And then I'm going to pull up on the safety here. As you can see, the spin dry motor is not even wanting to budge. None of the cables have been pulled or damaged, and it's not the capacitor because the wash motor is working.
Alright, it's washing and spinning at the same time. Let me tell you, it is worth it. That's worth it. I recommend you buy it. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. I only did 2 loads and I'm finished with my husband's laundry. And then I guess I'll do mine. And look how dry it spins. It's absolutely awesome. I recommend you buy it. Turned it on. You can hear trying to do something. The clothes are not moving. I bought it March 31st. And I tried the dryer. All you hear is click, click, click. No movement. The drainer does work. So I can drain. But it's not doing any washing. So now I have to wash my clothes by hand or walk a few blocks to the laundromat. I'm not doing nothing but draining. Piece of garbage.
perfect.
There is no adequate seal between the spinner and the washer. So even if the washer isn't even halfway full, it'll spill dirty water from the washer into the spinner. So you can't do both at once. Look at that. That's awful.
Okay, I am doing my laundry in the tub. And it just finished, so now I put it on green. And you can see the little hose draining. And this is my attachment so that I could fill, the washer. Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is it.
I'm using my new Zenny washer in here in my bathtub, washing my grandkids' clothes, making it do what it do. Got the spinner on the other side that spins it almost dry. At least it rinses and spins all the water out, and you just hang it up. I'm good for the little things.
All right, welcome back everyone. As you can see, my load is washing. I put in that 1 cap of detergent, and that is the amount of suds that is being utilized to wash the clothes. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's going to do a good job. I may add a little bit more on my next load. But so far, so good. Stay tuned for the spin cycle.
This item is great. It helps me wash my newborn's clothing with ease. So I will recommend it to new moms and people who have limited spaces. So out of curiosity, I was like, will this fit? You guys, it literally fits. And I could just store it like right there. Nice.